Hi there, just thought I'd post up a quick video just for your YouTube community, local, maybe in the Manchester area, and they might need some wheels refurbing. So I'm going to be taking this down to Alloy Restore in Kearsley and Bolton. They're going to work their magic on the wheels. They've gone a bit curved and the lacquer's gone a bit funny on the front of the wheel. Got a bit of a water ingress in there, so they've gone a bit funny on the front like the diamond cut ones do. They're going to be working their magic on the wheels and getting them all in nice condition again. So I'll do a quick video just running around with the wheels up close so you can see what condition they've got into. They're fairly poor at the minute, so they definitely need sorting out. Obviously the car's in good condition elsewhere, so the wheels are really letting them down. So I'm going to let my friend Jay over at Alloy Restore in Kearsley, Bolton to work their magic. Obviously with it being diamond cut, not everywhere can do them. They need to have a specific machine to do diamond cut wheels and get the finish back to as near to a manufacturer finish as possible. So I'm really confident that he can do a really nice job. So I'll do a quick run around video of the wheel condition now, and then I'll post one up when we collect it in a day or two's time. Yeah, thanks. As you can see, if you look closely, they've gone really scabby. Bits have flaked off, bits of lacquer. In quite poor condition when you look up quite closely, see there as well. The calipers could do with doing as well. Rear wheel, again, the problem is with the diamond cut ones, the lacquer goes off. See all around the edge there, it's got all curve marks. Let's go around the back. Let's see the rear one here. Yeah, that's in similar condition. It's not quite as bad as the other ones, but yeah, a few nicks here and there, as you can see. Yeah, not great at all, but obviously I'm quite pernickety about things, and they need to be right. The front ones have obviously took more of a hammering with the brake dust build up, and then with the obviously on and off curbs and whatnot, they've really took a bit of a pounding. So I tried to touch them up a little bit with a bit of touch up paint just for now, but they definitely need a professional job doing. And at some point, obviously, I do want to get the calipers done as well. There in the red, they look a bit worn out as well. So let's go over to Jay's and let's see what we can do with them. Come to collect the car up. Jay's done an amazing job down here at Alloy Restore in Bolton and Kearsley. Had the calipers done as well. Fantastic job. They are a bit tricky to do, these diamond cut wheels, but as you can see, he's done a fantastic job. I'm just going to show you the rear alloy as well. Looks so much better than it did. So if you need any diamond cut wheels doing, you're in the Manchester area, Alloy Restore in Kearsley and Bolton. Fantastic job.